Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find your lock folders in Google Photo. Whether you lock photo or you lock video or file or document in Google Photo, I'm going to show you how to find the folders right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Google Photo. After you open up your Google Photo, it's going to open up this page. Then if you scroll all the way up and down, you will not be able to see the lock folder, and you want to have access to the lock folder. So follow me in this video. First thing first, what you need to do is to simply click on search icon right here. Having clicked on the search icon, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your search engine and type in lock folder. So you can see the result right here, lock folder. So what you need to do is to simply click on lock folder. Then you will be asked to enter your passkey. Enter your passkey or your passcode. Then boom, everything is going to open up just like what you see right here. Now, right now, you can have access to your hidden photos and video in Google Photo without any stress, without using any apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.